To check your storage and free up space on your Mac, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Then go to General in the left sidebar and select Storage on the right. You'll see your Mac's total storage capacity in the top right corner and how much is being taken up by apps, documents, and other files. Then scroll down and select one of the options under Recommendations to automatically free up space on your Mac. For example, select Store in iCloud to move your photos and other documents to iCloud. Below the recommendations, you can also click the eye icon next to any category to find and delete the largest files on your Mac. For example, if you click the eye icon next to Applications, you'll be able to see all your installed apps, sort them by size, and click Delete to remove them. For some files, you might need to right-click them and select Delete instead. Once you're done, just make sure to empty the trash. If you have lots of space being taken up by system data, that means there are files that don't neatly fit into a category. In most cases, you can reduce your system data by clearing your Mac's cache. To do this, go to Finder, select Go at the top of your screen, and click Go to Folder. Then type in this path and hit Enter. To see what's taking up space, make sure to switch to List View, then press the Command and J keys on your keyboard, and check the box next to Calculate All Sizes. Finally, open the Caches folder and delete any large files inside that folder. Since these are all temporary files, you can delete anything inside this folder without it impacting your apps or settings. You can also look for large files in Application Support, Containers, Logs, and Cookies, but only delete files in these folders if you recognize them. Finally, make sure to empty the trash. For more tips on how to reduce your storage and system data, check out the article in the description below. If these tips helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.